Great.
What is this?
See your brows now. Start with your brows, girl.
Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria. I'm a YouTuber based in Ireland. If this is your first time, thank you so much, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're a real one. So guys, as you can already see from the title, this video is not a long one at all. I'm not even wasting your time. I'm ready for it. I have a black man blood in me.
I have a black man blood in me, and African people, we are born great. I'm ready for it.
So yeah guys, this video is going to be a 3-minute makeup challenge. Just 3 minutes makeup challenge. We will see what we can do
In 3 minutes.
in 3 minutes actually. And disclaimer guys, I am not a makeup artist, neither is she a makeup artist. We are not here to teach you a tutorial on how to do makeup. This is just a 3-minute makeup challenge. So my timer here already states 3 minutes, ready to go. I don't know if you can see me. I don't look ready at all. I need to pack my hair. See how she's ready to my I came here to do fine girl. But guys, this ring light is crazy. It's crazy. So guys, let me pack my hair. Oh, this is battle of the fittest. Oh my god. Fastest fingers. Oh, sorry guys, for those that don't know her, and for my new subscribers, Grace, you have to reintroduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Grace.
This girl is
My
nice.
name is Grace.
So yeah, I think we are ready to go. So it's 3 minutes guys. You're going to have to count down with us, and we will see how we go for 3 minutes. How we can do it here for this 3 minutes makeup challenge. Before you continue watching this video, let me know who you think is going to win, who you think is going to do a better job. Leave it down in the comment section below. If you don't support
my fans,
which fans? If you don't support me and watching this video and you subscribe to my channel, okay,
Team Gracie,
Team Ria. Okay, so guys, we are going to start. Wait, I feel like you're the one that's going to start faster because I'm going to have to show them the time.
No, I'll wait when you drop the phone. Then
we'll do it 3 minutes 2 seconds because I use 2 seconds to show you guys. So we have started. Hey, Grace!
I'm still opening palette.
You are cheating. Just drop the mirror down.
Yeah.
Guys, it's just 3 minutes.
Ha! No. What? No. Please, you may not be using the right brushing.
I'm not even using anything right
because
you can't use this 3 minutes something. Oh my god.
baby.
You're laughing. You have time. You have time to laugh.
Fastest fingers.
Oh my god,
oh. Can do this.
Guys, I don't know if you see how I'm looking. I feel like we have like 2 minutes left. We've used like 1.
Hey, God, I don't have brush, oh.
Let's do makeup challenge. She came unprepared.
No.
No brush. I pity you. Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
We are thinking we can beat makeup artists that are doing 5 minutes.
Honestly, if you see this table, guys, right now, I don't think you will be happy.
Nobody should look here. Don't look down here.
I just did the basics. And once the timer stops, guys, we have to just stop. of what we are doing, we have to just stop.
You bronze immediately after your foundation.
I pity you.
Don't try this at home.
You are still talking. You have time.
Don't try this at home, guys. After this, I look like cool. I like that reloaded.
I feel like this looks like
My pain.
100 level makeup.
No, we did better than that.
Guys, I'm even bronze, you know.
Yeah,
Forget. In 3 minutes, I can do something that I used to go.
Just contour.
What is this?
Where have my makeup?
Hey!
We got this. Speed. That this is not coming out. The dying thing. Speed up. Where's powder brush? Wait, I've not done my eyeliner. What's it?
You're too doing eyeliner.
Yo, we have to slay.
Okay.
We came here to slay, guys.
I didn't come to slay.
I came to slay. Hey. Go.
Hey! Jesus,
you did great, girl.
You guys, forget the eyeliner I just started once. You guys, I don't know how I look. Wait first.
If you see me outside, like
I don't know how I look.
Looks nice, girl.
I look sick. And let me see now. I forget your grace.
Who did this?
Who you?
Who have you come?
Oh my God, forget.
Hey babe, see your
I
brows.
tried. See my bronzer.
See your brows now. Start with your brows,
This
girl.
brows, I look like
Slick it.
I went to the wash reviewed makeup artist. if I slap you, I just did this. Honestly.
Great God.
Of these 3 minutes,
who killed it?
3 minutes makeup challenge. Look. Oh my God, you guys have to
forget I'm
Jesus Christ.
My brow.
Guys, please, you have to be the judge of this for 3 minutes because what?
Well smart.
But see my bronzer now, forget that thing. I mean, babe.
In 3 minutes, haba. You did I'm joking.
We tried now.
Hey, they go to this babe.
You're crazy. You're mad. So I think this is the end of this video. Let's not even waste time here. I think we've come to the end of this video. But through the mirror, guys, I'm looking like it's better. Like it looks very nice through the mirror. But I don't know if it's the ring light effect.
Shows you the
real you. I'm telling you, so you know her in my face like that. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys had fun as much as we did have fun. Did you have fun?
As much as.
As much as. I hope you guys had fun as much as we did. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And guys, before I go, I was supposed to say this before the beginning of the video, yeah, but I just need you guys to let me know what days of the week you would want to see my videos, basically. So I plan on dropping twice weekly, but then I need to know your suggestions. What days of the week do you want me to be dropping videos? Is it Tuesdays, is it Mondays, is it Sunday, is it Saturday? Just leave all your suggestions down in the comment section below, and I will definitely try to look at everybody's own. I will really look at everybody's own and then come up with the most suggested option. For me, I'm leaning towards Tuesdays and Saturdays, but I can't really do this, or Tuesdays and Fridays, but I can't really do this on my own. I need you guys to let me know what days you want to be seeing my videos, because at the end of the day, I mean, it's you guys that will watch it. It's you guys that I want to watch it. So I need to know your schedule. Please let me know down in the comment section. And I think for the time, my time is normally 12 p.m. but if you want that to change, just let me know that you want that to change. But I think I may still stick with 12 p.m. but just let me know the days of the week that you want me to be posting videos out for you guys to watch it. So yes, this is the end of this video. You have to come closer, because they really have to be the judge. You guys have to leave it down in your comment section below and tell us, who do you think killed this 3 minutes makeup challenge? If you think it's me, just comment in RIA down down in the comment section.
Team Grace.
If you think it's Grace, just comment Team Grace down in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Don't forget to share. So yeah, thank you so much guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video, because I did. To me, I'm still a babe. I'm still looking like one.
Till we come close.
But guy, nah. I look like all those I don't want to talk about what I look like. Just forget it. Well, thank you so much guys for watching, and this is me saying bye. See you in my next video. My name is RIA, and I love you guys. I feel like you guys should already know, like, this my
name is RIA.
My outro. Every time I want to end, I'm just like, my name is RIA, and I love you guys. Mwah. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.